start living for the small moments, that's when you really know you're living. The smell of coffee in the morning, the different colors of the sunset. The big moments are great when they come, but damn those small moments. Those are the ones that truly make life worth living.
We have here our local butterflies. Paro-paro G. You know what's paro-paro, sir?
Paro-paro.
Yes, butterflies.
Butterflies.
Yes, paro-paro. Our butterfly here, their lifespan is only 2 to 3 weeks.
Ay, dead na.
Yes, oh, dead.
Ay, hindi. Nagising.
This
She's
one
alive.
is a combination of honey and water. Their secondary food. Because their primary food is the nectar. Oh, there's... Ay, I thought she's dead. She's dead. The male ones died after they mate.
Oh.
The female...
Why?
Ha?
Ba't sila namatay after meeting?
Yun lang po yung ano nila. Yung life.
So after sex, they die, the male ones.
Wawa, no?
Alam mo, kawawa. Kawawa.
May stock sila doon.
Nakalaka, what
Oh,
happened?
hindi sila
Ano nangyari sa'yo?
hindi sila makaalis.
Ayan, na-stuck siya. Ayan.
Picture.
We have a newly hatched caterpillar here.
Caterpillar.
Yes. I
Saan
think this
yun?
one is 2 days old. This one, that's so tiny.
Ang liit.
Oo, maliit po. And after a week, magiging pupa po siya. Ito. Then after 2 weeks, they will become butterflies.
Bang, could catch more butterflies.
Buwa.
I am behind you. You're taking her. Oh, see?
By the way, butterflies don't sleep. They just rest.
Sarap, no?
This
Preserved na
anaconda.
po siya.
Oo.
Burmese python
Parang
po
mga
siya.
anaconda.
50 years old po siya nang namatay.
Her name is Samantha.
Yes.
She died
7 years ago.
7 years ago.
When she's alive, she ate 80 kilos of pig. Alive.
Wow.
Yes.
She's busog for a month.
Yes.
Baby, you wanna touch?
Namatay po siya dahil sa sakit na high blood.
She died because of
Just kidding.
hypertension
Just kidding.
from eating pigs.
Kanji.
Vanji?
Yes, albino python. She weighs 80 kilos, I guess. And that chicken, it's real.
Oh,
Yes, a live
weighted.
chicken. One
hala
is
baby, look. Oh.
Juliet.
Hi,
Yes.
Juliet.
She weighs 110 kilos. She's 11 years old now. Yan. Hi, Juliet! Babalat niya lang po. Yan.
She's
New
leaving
skin.
now.
And they shred their skin
Once a month.
once a month.
Babe,
Yeah.
uy.
This one right here, tapos na magbalat. Cold-blooded po sila ma'am, kaya ganyan. Parang bug lang ako. Parang bug, just like bug. O, diba?
Juliet?
Parang hindi matenso. Ayan. 1, 2, 3.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan. Yung mga babies po doon na snake.
He's the son of Romeo and Juliet from
Yes,
there.
oo.